Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen comparison operators. So in today's video we are going to see logical operators. Okay, so there are three type of logical operators. First, let us understand why do we use these operators. So logical operators are basically used to combine two conditional statements and return um, output as boolean. Okay, true and false. Okay, so first we will see and. Okay, so I'll say print, and if I say uh, 5 is greater than 3 and 5 is less than 10. Okay, now this AND operator will return true if both the statements are returning true. Okay, so let's see. 5 is greater than 3, yes, true. Okay, and 5 is less than 10, that is also true. So our output should be true. Okay, so run. You can see we got true. Okay, now this is AND. And if you will do something like this 11 and run this, then it will return false because 11 is greater than 10, not less than. Okay, so yeah, this is AND operator. I will just comment this out. And next we have OR operator. Okay, so OR operator will basically return true if any one statement is returning true. So if I say if I take this example only, okay, this example, and if I write OR over here, OR, and I will change this to 4. Okay, now see, 5 is less than 4, which is false, and 5 is greater than 3, which is true. So this should return us true. You can see we got true over here. So this is OR operator. And last we have NOT operator. Okay, so NOT operator will basically reverse your output. If you will get output as true, then it will return false. And if you will get output as false, then it is going to return you true. Okay, so if I say not and parenthesis, then I will just copy this statement and paste it over here. So we were getting true output. Okay, true output over here. If I run script again, then it should give us false. See, we got false. So this not operator basically reversed our output. Okay, so not operator is used to reverse our output. So yeah, this is it for today's video guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.